Hi, my name's Mike Vorius, COE for Office of the CFO Solutions. I want to talk to you today briefly just about the new Australian Payment Times Reporting Scheme. You see, one of the most commonly asked questions I get is, does SAP have a solution? The answer? Absolutely yes. So let's take a quick look at how the Advanced Compliance Reporting solution executes the process with this quick demo.
So once you log into the ACR, here is where you select the category and entity that we have already discussed during the configuration. And this is the first step that we discussed during the process. So firstly, this display supplier list is the first activity wherein the user would be using it to extract the .csv file in order to get the list of suppliers. So on clicking this display supplier list, the user would get the .csv file downloaded, and this .csv file would consist of only ABN numbers of all the suppliers. And this .csv file would be uploaded to the government portal, that is non-SAP portal, which is SBI tool. And here is where the government would validate the .csv file and returns back only the small business suppliers. And again, this file would be in the .csv file itself. So once this .csv file is obtained by the government, this file is uploaded for a specific company code and reporting period. If you see, here it is for the specific company code and reporting period. You would be uploading the .csv file. Assuming that this is the file obtained by the government, we would be uploading this .csv file and execute it. So you get the success message, record successfully updated. So once these records are updated, you can also see the list of the records updated. So by selecting the radio button display list, you can see the list of the suppliers which are updated. And the final step is using this data. Finally, the PTR report is generated and the same would be uploaded at the PTR portal. So this is the final step wherein you execute the report to generate the PTR file. That is the payment terms reporting. So here is where the payment times reporting is generated. Here you see all the information under the entity or contact info, which was maintained in the configuration. So these are the approvals detail and the submitters details. And you also see the payment data. For example, shortest SPP, that is shortest standard payment period, and also the invoice paid within 20 days. For example, we posted an invoice which was supposed to be within 20 days of time period. So you can see all these data over here. And the other data section is the one which the user has to maintain it manually. So once this data is maintained manually and it is approved, this report would be uploaded at the PTR portal. So you can also see this analyzed data of this PTR. I'll just change the order. Right now it is journal entry, supplier, and payment period. If you see the columns over here, let me just change the order of it by maintaining payment period, supplier, and journal entry. So this means the suppliers list for within 0 to 20 days. These are the documents for which the PTR report has been generated. So you can also see the chart. Right now, I'll just select the stacked bar format. So this chart type has been selected, wherein it shows payment period versus amounts in company code currency.
Steps 7 and 8 are exactly the same as the ones that we showed in step 2. So I hope that helps explain the process and the steps involved and how easy it is with ACR to actually execute this particular report. If you'd like more information, please do not hesitate to contact us, and I'll leave those details at the end of this video. Thank you very much.